This is the orphanage. The building work is going on. Today is Monday. Tarehe ngapi? 4th. Today is Monday the 4th. It's about 5:30 p.m. right now. The sun is setting to one side. And that's the orphanage, the front side. This is the entrance to the orphanage. There's this one room that extends to the front. Coming to the main dormitory. They're still working on the windows. That's Josephine, a part of the staff members of the Transformation Center. These are the workers diligently putting in the windows.